Have you ever laid in bed, on the very edge of sleep, and suddenly felt a jolt that wakes you right up? Or maybe you've wondered what's really going on inside your head during those last few moments of consciousness. It's not just you slowly drifting off. It's a complex and fascinating dance happening inside your brain. Tonight, we're pulling back the curtain on the incredible transition your brain makes from wakefulness to slumber. It's a journey that happens every single night, yet most of us know so little about it. So, get comfortable, and let's dive into the amazing neuroscience of falling asleep. First, let's set the stage. You've had a long day, you've brushed your teeth, and you're finally tucked into bed. As you start to unwind, your brain begins to produce a specific type of brain wave called alpha waves. Think of these as your brain's chill-out signal. You're not asleep yet, but you're not fully alert either. You're in a state of calm, quiet wakefulness. This is the first step in your brain's nightly shutdown sequence. It's letting go of the day's worries and stresses, creating the perfect mental environment for rest. Your breathing slows down, your muscles relax, and your mind starts to wander. This alpha state is why meditating or deep breathing before bed can be so effective. It actively encourages your brain to enter this pre-sleep phase. Now, for that infamous jolt. It's called a hypnic jerk, and it's a super common phenomenon. Just as you're sinking deeper into relaxation, your muscles might suddenly twitch, and you feel a bizarre sensation of falling, which snaps you awake. So, what's happening? As your muscles go limp, your brain, which is used to being in control, sometimes gets a bit confused. For a split second, it misinterprets this extreme relaxation as a sign that you are literally falling. In a flash of panic, it sends a signal to your muscles to catch yourself, causing that sudden jerk. It's essentially a false alarm. A brief miscommunication between your brain and your body as they navigate the blurry line between being awake and being asleep. While it can be annoying, it's completely harmless and just a quirky part of the process. While the hypnic jerk is a very physical sign, something else profound is happening in the control center of your brain. The prefrontal cortex, this is the part of your brain right behind your forehead, and it's basically your inner CEO. It handles decision-making, logical reasoning, and social control. It's the voice of reason that keeps your impulses in check. As you get closer to sleep, the prefrontal cortex begins to power down. It's like the boss is finally clocking out for the night. This is a crucial step. By quieting your critical thought and logical analysis, your brain opens the door for a more creative and less structured state of mind. This dimming of the prefrontal cortex is what allows the world of dreams to emerge. Without your inner critic running the show, your brain is free to create the strange, wonderful, and sometimes nonsensical narratives that we experience as dreams. So, you have alpha waves creating a state of deep relaxation, the occasional hypnic jerk as your brain adjusts to your body's stillness, and your prefrontal cortex going offline to silence your inner editor. These three things work in concert, creating a perfect, elegant transition from the structured reality of your day to the boundless world of your dreams. It's a highly sophisticated process that your brain performs flawlessly almost every single night. It's not just a switch being flipped from on to off. It's a gradual, carefully orchestrated handover of control. Your brain is essentially dimming the lights on your conscious, logical mind to allow your subconscious, restorative processes to take over and prepare you for the day ahead. Isn't that absolutely incredible? Every night, your brain performs this complex, beautiful ballet to guide you into sleep, ensuring you get the rest you need to recharge and thrive. It's a reminder of just how amazing our bodies are, with intricate systems working behind the scenes without us even noticing. The next time you find yourself on the verge of sleep, maybe you'll appreciate the delicate sequence of events unfolding in your mind. If you found this journey into the brain as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the human body. We've got so much more to explore together. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.